Morning routine. Good morning, did you sleep well?
Good morning, yes, I slept very well.
The sun is up, what time is it?
It is 7 o'clock now.
Great, it is time to wake up.
I need to stretch my body first.
Good idea, are you going to brush your teeth?
Yes, I am going to the bathroom now.
Don't forget to wash your face with cold water.
I always do, it helps me wake up fast.
I am going to make the bed.
Thank you, I will fold the blankets too.
What clothes will you wear today?
I will wear my light blue shirt and jeans.
Sounds nice, the weather is warm today.
Perfect, I am ready to get dressed.
I will open the windows for fresh air.
That feels so refreshing.
Let's start our wonderful day.
Yes, let's make today a happy day.
Having breakfast. Are you hungry yet?
Yes, my stomach is rumbling.
What would you like to eat?
Simple toast and eggs, please.
Coming right up, do you want fried or boiled eggs?
Fried eggs, please.
Would you like some hot coffee or tea?
Hot coffee with milk sounds perfect.
Here is your fresh coffee and warm toast.
Wow, this smells so good.
Please enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you very much, the eggs are delicious.
I am glad you like them.
Do we have any fruit left?
Yes, we have sweet apples and bananas. I will slice an apple for us.
That is very kind of you.
Eat well, so you have lots of energy.
I am full now, that was great.
Wonderful, now we are ready for the day. Going to work or school?
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please take a seat.
Thank you, how much is the bus ticket?
It is $2 for one ride.
Here is $2.
Thank you, here is your ticket.
Does this bus stop at the central station?
Yes, it stops right in front of it.
How many minutes will it take?
About 15 minutes from here.
Great, is traffic heavy today?
No, the road is clear this morning.
That is good news, I am going to class.
Are you a university student?
Yes, I study computer science.
That is wonderful, work hard.
Thank you, please tell me when we arrive.
Sure, I will make an announcement.
I appreciate your help, have a nice day.
You too, enjoy your ride.
At the office. Good morning, how are you today?
Good morning, I am doing well, thank you.
Did you finish the weekly report?
Yes, I sent it to your email this morning.
Great, I will check my inbox right now.
Please let me know if you need changes.
Sure thing. Do you have time for a short meeting?
Yes, I am free before 11 o'clock.
Let's meet in the conference room at 10.
Sounds good, I will bring my notebook.
Can you print 3 copies of the plan?
No problem, I will print them now.
Is the printer working okay today?
Yes, we put new paper in it yesterday.
Excellent, you are very helpful.
Happy to help, teamwork makes things easy.
Indeed, I will see you at the meeting.
See you soon, have a productive morning.
Thank you, you too.
Thanks.
Lunchtime.
Is it time for lunch already?
Yes, it is 12 o'clock. Let's eat.
Where should we go today?
How about the noodle shop near the park?
That sounds delicious, I love noodle soup.
Great, let's walk together.
Look, the restaurant is not too busy.
Perfect, we can get a table quickly.
What are you going to order?
I will get chicken noodles and green tea.
I will order beef noodles and iced water.
The food here is always fresh and hot.
Yes, and the prices are very good.
Here comes our food. It looks great.
Let me pass you the chopsticks and napkin.
Thank you very much.
Bon appetit, let me taste the soup first.
How is it? Is it good?
It is warm and super tasty.
Awesome. Let's enjoy our meal.
Shopping at the supermarket. Hello, can you help me find the fresh milk?
Hello, milk is in aisle 3 near the cheese.
Thank you. Where can I find sweet oranges?
Fruit is right at the front entrance on the left.
Great. Are these apples on sale today?
Yes, they are 20% off today.
Wonderful. I will take 6 apples, please.
Would you like a plastic or paper bag?
A reusable bag, please. I brought my own.
That is great for the environment.
Can I pay with my credit card?
Yes, we accept cards and cash.
Here is my card.
Please insert your card into the machine.
Okay, done. Is the payment complete?
Yes, it is approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you for your assistance.
You are very welcome.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too, goodbye.
Cooking dinner. What should we make for dinner tonight?
Let's cook pasta with fresh tomato sauce.
That sounds great. Do we have tomatoes?
Yes, we bought fresh ones at the market.
Perfect. Can you wash the vegetables?
Sure, I will wash the tomatoes and onions.
I will boil water for the pasta noodles.
Should I chop the onions now?
Yes, please chop them into small pieces.
Be careful, the pot water is very hot.
Don't worry, I am using oven mitts.
The tomato sauce is smelling wonderful.
I added some garlic and olive oil.
How many minutes until the pasta is ready?
About 8 more minutes.
I will set the table with plates and forks.
Thank you. Can you put glass cups too?
Done, everything is set on the table.
Dinner is ready. Let's sit down and eat.
Smells delicious, thank you for cooking.
Relaxing at home. That was a busy day today.
Yes, I am happy to be home now.
Me too. Let's sit on the comfortable sofa.
Would you like a warm cup of herbal tea?
That would be wonderful, thank you.
I will bring some light cookies too.
Perfect. Soft music is playing in the background.
The living room feels warm and cozy.
How was your overall workday?
It was busy, but everything went fine.
I am glad to hear that.
Do you want to read a book together?
Sure, I am reading an interesting story.
What kind of story is it?
It is a funny book about travel adventures.
Sounds fun, let's read quietly for a while.
Relaxing like this makes me feel so happy.
Me too, home is the best place to be.
I completely agree with you.
Enjoy your tea and peaceful evening.
Watching TV. Let's turn on the television.
Good idea, what would you like to watch?
Is there a good movie on tonight?
Let me check the guide, there is a comedy movie.
Awesome, I love funny movies.
It starts in 5 minutes on channel 4.
Perfect time. Do we have any popcorn?
Yes, I can make some warm popcorn quickly.
Great, I will grab 2 big cushions.
Here is the fresh bowl of popcorn.
Yum, thank you so much.
Should I dim the room lights?
Yes, dim lights make it feel like a cinema.
Press play, the movie is starting now.
Look at that funny dog in the scene.
Haha, that is so hilarious.
This is such an entertaining movie.
I am glad we chose to watch this tonight.
Me too, it makes me laugh so much.
Enjoy the rest of the movie.
Going to bed. Look at the clock, it is getting late.
Wow, it is already 10:30 at night.
Yes, we should go to sleep soon.
I will turn off the living room lights.
Don't forget to lock the front door.
Check the door is locked safely.
Did you set your morning alarm clock?
Yes, it is set for 6:30 a.m.
Great, I will brush my teeth now.
Me too, then I will wash my face.
The bedroom is cool and quiet tonight.
That will help us sleep soundly.
I am feeling very sleepy now.
Me too, my eyes are getting heavy.
Let's turn off the bedroom lamp.
Good night, sleep well and have sweet dreams.
Good night to you too.
See you in the morning.
See you tomorrow.
Sweet dreams.